Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Triumph Trident 660. This sport triple just arrived with only 2,171 miles. Really cool matte black finish. I like the British flag emblem in the Triumph logo there. Beautiful condition. Very low miles. It's got ABS brakes, fuel injection, heated grips. This bike is in really great shape. Come on by and make your triple cylinder Triumph dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yeah. Smooth and torquey. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.